coming in from No Tribe. Bringing time to 24 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station. Hey, Adom. Hey, Adom. That's right. Boom, 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 boom. Now to be Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's match. Welcome to another great man. Ghana have Bosumi Bakwa Yemfenia Grand match. Bosumi. Yes, so because Abosumi, you know, it means a lot to us. You know what I'm saying? I don't see a more Kwaba. I do back Bosumi or Tosumi and San. Ofie 2019 emu. It's the 1st of March 2019. Thank God you are still alive and you are listening to me right now. I also want to thank God, yes, for counting me among the living today, for allowing me to see the very first day in the month of March 2019. We're most grateful to him. So the only himself Fridays be a freestyle Friday. Formula be now. The dragum near aquarium sa. As I say, Fridays be a show appreciation. Yes. It's a so definitely memo aquariano. Now what me a fraba jumediano so. Now obia or sumobo. Obia waya debia mawa when you saw. Now person will appreciate this on your chrono. Also, I take advantage now. What me a friend now? What don't you parkona say? I'm gonna say near why I'm on when it saw the patch of friend now. Baswa not why an Indian why. Sabe only abuse opportunity be known so to me any day. Sir, a friend Jerry Justice. That's a pass all the Adom FM now. Ofie Kwanso Sabre. As they do also come out producers, no Papa Bills, African. They be so come out Kete. They be come out Nana Bedi there. It's large, in charge. And shouts going out to you now, blowing me kisses from the other side. I see you now. Oh my goodness. Let me activate the phone line. This is here 0302 216 0302 216 That's 0302 216 561 0302 216 Yeah, no say about number stated. Yeah, come on, I say no more. Oh my goodness. It's a financial appreciation to somebody out there. It's only on Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. Swasidano, Petra Trust, Kojak Pharma, DBS Industries Limited, Buy101.com. First caller, Ewa Humanoso, Yemfan and 18. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brad Jerry. All to say.
Me who ya pa nyamia domutina e fro say.
Mpacho me din de Belinda, me ka sefi Malata.
All right, Sister Belinda, mpacho why na why ye bibia ma wa opese udano so ase.
Me pacha ya me mame. Mam wa ebinyama bebra mame. Aso di bebrebe nyina echi wa dom wa dia ma echi se ba tampa. Me ka sinyame nhua no no ntu ne nkwa ne o ma na hoden. Ne kunu so support no ma obo ame. E wa baby asisi amedri. Me ka sinyame nhua o mu bebre na o ma hoden.
Amen.
Braja ya das me no anka. Me afra we hwe wa momidi.
Sa daddy.
Me na me frɛ
O frɛ me.
O birthday no.
Sa.
Belinda Frimpong.
Any Belinda Frimpong. Now also there near birthdays ah.
Oh birthday wo.
Ah. Me birthday and I wish me.
O ref me send no message na.
Yes ah. Me that's the power I say wish me when you sure right.
Yo.
Hello, good afternoon, Brad Jerry, Papa.
Good afternoon, boss. We are Frost.
Brad Jerry, I come today.
Nyamia Dumaya pa.
Yo, Ochini, Aguna Inkum.
Great. Ochri, it's you.
Edin Kayami, Enshal, New York, Swati.
Amen.
Brad Jerry, Mamma Bakwame Bondin Kesipa, Brad Jerry, Drasma, me pa, Wafeno, Auntie Grace, or Choba, Salam, they are Basti Choba. Mamina Yadi Bedia, Mammy, Brad Jerry. Mami main campo, Nani saw the boy, Namami, Yabuam of Auntie Grace, or Basti Choba, Salam down.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Mamma Bako Sofene, Onabuna, Yo Gumwa Central MP. Gumwa Central, Winya, the Papa Pine, to Mamma also, Yami, Shira, and Papa. Rajari, Dan was Mammy, yes, Ministra and Femo.
Amen. Yes, sir, that's a power for your call. Let's ask for fair food, dear. Hello. Hey. Hello.
Yeah, brother.
If I show radio, no fair, I know what do. Why now?
Maybe I'm mechanical.
Respect you all. Eat you.
Uber do my fine, sure. Respect. I shall marry banders on fight. Nukonya many, Nemami Veronica, Wabom, Papa, into which you know, now with the Namami, Apam Johnson, and Camu, Madame Veronica, Yamisro, Nayaka.
Amen. Yes, that's a pa. Obi for Fronson to us. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick, you're from saying.
Patrick, I'm Mr. College.
All right, Patrick, it's you.
Patrick, maybe damn madam as madam in years more college. Why never be brave, mammy? As you when them says a many years last is my mistake and coupons on Sharon and no any case. If you're better in that, we are all man, Adom and Tony. But Jesus, do me bonfire. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's it. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon, Rajani.
Good afternoon, Patrol. You're from saying.
Patrol, you're from Nkrumah. Because Africa come to 25 tema.
What's all the Nkrumah?
Patrol and.
Okay, you. Brown Nkrumah, Patrol, it's you.
Okay, me Patrol, person, which me ma comfort. Our tema, I fear ya. Our Pentecost, our tema 23 size A. Michiano, after so called Ijumaku and Esia, me ma bako a friend of my doctors or a proof for my and also in Jacket and command or Medana say, oh, and your mammy now, gradually made also.
Amen. Yes, that's a power for your call. God bless you too. Next call on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
What's your first name?
But you and I say, Belma Cantamanchi.
And I do Gumianco.
Oh, and I did. Me, mammy, a platform, and one a plus. Wow, Bellman can open the yes, I show my amen. Let's move them.
Lionel.
Yet, ask the papa, Yami, Onion Cassia, O many inch, Nayan so, Yastasia Blaboya, if so I am. And Yamima ACA, young share mammy, a man who knows anything to do. Amen. Oh, yes, on the man or share, swinging up at her. All right.
Yes, that was a pa.
Now somebody jump onto your feet. Up unto God and live in sacrifice of praise, even with the fruit of your lips. Shout unto God.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Patrick Frost saying.
Oh, mommy, latte.
Mommy Boko there.
That's one. I'm just a call. Well, I done that song. I'm some of a call. Yamian Boko.
You were the Yamiasi.
First of all, make the Yamian Uncle Nambra for you. What? With an answer, papa. No, your mammy. Didn't bring that answer. Echo, 11 devil answer. Na brother go see ya kwaso ya akoma mama ye and doctor of atitem ponpon me da wo nyina ase me da stadium for Nyankofa so why
amen and just ko enko ema You're from Esther Bwedu or Madina. Mommy, not to say. Michelle, we ain't yamin can want it. Ejibia, Nababesrao. Buy101.com. Also, per car and now per spare parts. A dine out part and now per building materials and now per assassin. And now home appliances. Sanyama we now be www.buy101.com. Now prices also the yeah. Same way, so the one there to us out on Unya man for mom turning temper. What is Sanyama in there be cut to us out on so. Anyway, I all free. Into buy101.com or 0266 637 111 and now 0302 300 472. DBS Industries Limited. And also said Brana Beje chance to papa for board and so top class quality roofing sheet. A board dance for win your absolute peace of mind. Because chance no answer you. Kala no and fedi and pilio and put on campus a chance and a rusty. You know what I'm saying? It's your boss was a board dance where ni Ubu and so muna say penani na kuma. Because roof ninye. Oh there patching. But to be near more 20-year warranty also. Mistake be a background because you have a guarantee you warranty also. Problem near actually. But I enjoy 5% discount. Here was Springters Road. If you're super fuel station, you try up and what do Papa restaurant? One year. You need come on our 0577 619 102. I feel 0543 286 637. Yeah, any roof experts now. Young Kwao man so. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost and boss.
Mr. Richard, this one my friend Pastor Richard. Mr. Fia Shama Lebano.
Pastor Richard, you are quite Patrick with you.
Yo, Yamin Slow. Me dey na eya iro kakra. Master ba ko pa mi ko webu so ni mu a oje me tata. O so po e friend Aunt Mansa. Me no ke say o se mo che. Me say Yamin Sila Emma no ene na busuafo nyina se on show modern. Na eda o mbe yi no abusuafo nyina emehia na ye abrowa na ye fefe me da master.
Thank you very much for your announcement. Hello.
Jesus.
Hey.
Roger.
And I'm feeling what you are.
Hey, Benedict. Are you actually done money and job Benedict?
And no, I do any. You're crazy.
Go for you.
Your friend say.
The first Naomi.
You Naomi yet you way.
No for you. I can't more Jesus. I'm going to be. I'm a son. Say, Mammy, so me cry. No for you. Or one in Kakanga, and Tiamin Shano. None of them are so dead in a manner. You come by 2020, then you go for money and worry. Right, then I'm so proud. 2020 worry.
2020, they were do man me 19 years. Auntie, Alaza. You quit. Now I hello.
Yes. My name is.
What's it?
My name is Deborah.
Your name is Deborah?
Yes.
Calling from?
I'm calling from Dawenya. I want to thank God for how far He has brought me and my family.
You done, right? Hello?
Just lift up your voice.
Hello?
Hello, Roger.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, what could they?
Yami Adom, what they are checking and so.
You didn't see. I run away and you because of Madina.
All right, what's it you?
Oh, the person done as by a friend, Mr. Quachi, or do come crap, and why be my head, Roger. Come on, dimension and cabrage, I mean, Yamishan. Amen. Command and content. Amen.
Amen.
Yamiasi.
Yes, you're that's a pa. About your Kojak farmer. I say and now Emma Ade dark as I wait me a dear Philly or Sintino. So David I mean pure. Who are my money chill drink? Oh David. Just what the good and penana say was you know when Ade she the same thing. Ade did the same thing. Me patron. My own Sanka Kojak F toothpaste and then the mouthwash ebeja but so the any severe part to that cry na osene cry ya utwitwi cry na etumoja you koja P mouthwash and then the toothpaste no for 4 weeks later no was switch to Kojak F ebeja cry why na open say ebe ye ntem ama now the Kojak sensitive toothbrush no aka ho atwi sin where we ni na ya available our pharmacy shops across the country. Do drop no. For any show can she drag lane. I wanna be Kojak farmer. Yes, our phrase 0260-870-780 and our phrase 0249-209-920. FD is Ankara to you if you want to say correct pa. Hello, good afternoon. You're from saying
Bradjery.
You're from Bradjery.
But your friend me mabna.
You have now crab up.
Sandra.
Okay.
But you free man plobi bamboy.
You why now person appreciating a way?
Me dey radia say. I think so no. I see that just me no. Me tame man me as say. Your friend no auntie say wa Mary Nyama. Say wa koto patebi. Otna palladium. Na oton banchi wa palladium. Osansu ye juma wa palladium daycare center. Brother, me can you say no ho. Me man me bon pa say nyame eman no patensen. E say me hia me man mi anka. Enka ma say, otime chen e na America say, me fa o station yeso. Na ma chere say, me dana say nyo ye ma me na eso me ni. E kun de ye be kun. E say se ni tachere ma kro mo kun. So no me ye no bone a. On fan chere me wo ye we jaye juma abetine fie. Me ne me bani na almost 5 years me man me wo mo ni no no wa hwe me esi me niema e ye me bibia e ma me so me ti me ye mejuma so wakoto me do hye na be ye aka me do be hye me ti na me shira so Jerry me da was why
wa nesre wa wo kan hu se no osre
o so no be kasa
Your call has been put on hold. Yeah. Please wait. Your call has been put on hold.
Hello. Hey, you know go to.
Yes, sir.
Bibia wako there.
Pacha.
Nice one. Me pacha koswana eja yi nua ba ekurukura mu sa wa. Nyame so be sharp wa. Nice. Yeah, that's.
So why ya friend ma we head about.
What's me that's.
You, bye.
When you chama me I no more here on the omlozo. Your first that Petra Trust. I also equem be den pana. And every ya no demu ayeka say. Ono odwen o dachi ho se de be bibia be ko yi e dia ma. Hu se ne ya hoden wo we de. Bibia ni a wa betimi a bibia sharp pa. E bedu se wadu mpani fie so afi. Ahoden kura ni hobi no. Na fi ne mamu ayeden. Ne kobasa na sika sem no so nyina na so yi pe na che say aye. Edu nti o say connection so say enye osika dodo a wa pack de agu no. Ne mumu no control awo e wo say sika no so say entutwe ahodo a betimi di aye ne ade. En na e che se be ya betimi aboa na so daach ni mu etimi ade de ama kama. Edu nti ja bibia ma Petra Trust na ne. Wontimi hwe na onye san tutwe ni na ma emfa savings afi investment ahodo and pensions and de ka ho bibiri na mu se be ya onso no betimi akọ wani mu yi na daach ni mu ayefe. One Petra Ankasa L 0242-435-037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Patro, you have final 2 calls no. Nah, you fancy. Just the last 2 calls. You're from Kuma, Bra Kuma Foster. We are sprayer. Our Kayako. Community 9, light industrial area. Kuma net saying, ciao pa. Hope so be bien cool. Bra Kuma no, now Foster no. Unya zadi au wow. African, you're for last 2 nights, you're fancy. Hello.
Hello, Papa Jerry.
Your friend saying.
Your friend said
you boss, Pacho, you.
Oh, Yamaya, you do, I'm a sister, Opama, they were using your fellow Boloma. Me apprentice in Paulo. But Chena Diama, you want to. Me doubt is so big, Chena Diama.
Amen.
Any grab out so a man or president of it. The friend I just get you, Robert.
All right.
You think I'm
okay.
Amen.
That's a pie. Ever find last caller? Nah, and you DSC. Hello, last caller. Last caller.
Hello.
The friend saying.
The family Obobi aside.
Okay, Obobi at you.
Yo, me pacho me de radio say, e ma me ma me na mercy. Ah, what den jo bo ase. Oni ni kro Mr. Asante. Omo so omo hwe me. Omo na hwe me ama be dru sa be ya me we. Ye djuma o fa say omo da wuruma. Enye omo a enka me so me sa entimi nkoma no. Nti be bi omo bia no. Me de radio say e de ma omo say omo hwe me so sa. Na oma bomb ho ban aboa me akwan de bire so abeto sabe e wa dishira wo me de
amen amen that's it next time you are ready na Adom no why I'll be too much the patrol high sense air conditioner promotion no e jina mu den ma bon da wura ka chewa say ba wiye Bosome match ya yewura mu yi ne de to so nwotwe ene so eye first enti wunya nto wo de ama ho nya ha esan say ebia na waso dai so beto air conditioner but we are na watu aheda we de price no ya tete so kwa heavily discounted prices ne de ma wo enti one take advantage na one to be ntem na 8 match ni twompa waso be hye wouldn't say high sense is so there. They are of the best quality. Energy efficient, super chilled, very durable, and elegant as well. And it comes with gold plated condenser in producing noise. Dine chilo wani adia. Yama 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. ACB abetubia so. And it's rushes to see and for any high sense showroom be a ben one as a game shops need across the country. Now so cut out there at a heavily discounted price. Terms and conditions apply. With me at phrase 0302550000. Not train baby, I want show you showroom locations when they're ben also call you there. Why? It's as simple as that. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Me say mobile phone we on. So when you bia opa the next 10 years unto phone bia bia. There be a phone from bomb so we dey unya bia so was a phone from but Samsung Galaxy S10 we there. Yawa. Bibia wo phone we mu. Ade esesenka the next generation ye de mom no ye de mom se see our generation mu ya. Yeah. A future packed phone with the first of its kind intuitive camera. Yeah, more akwanya and multi capture beyond what the eyes can see. My goodness. Now the battery power no see the massa can once. Just say our power match. Just say you can even go ahead and share yours. What do you mean, Patrick? Just lift up your voice. So it's time to go beyond this generation. All with one phone. Celebrating 10 years of Galaxy innovation. Make that leap with the Samsung Galaxy S10e, S10 and S10 Plus. Pre-order yours today and get yourself a free Samsung Galaxy box. Hold up. Terms and conditions apply. Make sure you pre-order for yours. That's why I'm among the first people to own the new Samsung Galaxy S10. Now there's exciting news for all residents of Kaswa and its environs. And a GT Bank, a PMO town. Yes, GT Bank is in town. Guaranteed Trust Bank Ghana Limited, FBA, the 34th branch. Ewa Kaswa, located on the Kaswa New Market Road, close to the Insenia Senior High School, to offer its full suite of universal banking services to residents in Kaswa and its environment. It's in Pacho more Kaswa and important GT Bank, above Remo, it's Mumrana business. The GT Bank Kaswa branch is equipped with a 24-hour ATM that accepts Visa card, MasterCard, Mastro, Cyrus, and then China Union Pay card. Aside the usual banking services, customers also bet me or more electricity, water, Gold TV, as well as DSTV bills. Plus, I make payment for selected airlines and then a US visa fee at the branch as well. So walk to the Kaswa branch today and enjoy exceptional banking services. For further inquiries, phone 0577 143 200. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Also, wouldn't you rather bank with us? I'm sure you do. Patrol color party no basso. White no to so far same baby why. You know what I'm saying? What do you say? Yeah, can Udi Anu China question color be a bar. Now Beduna for rest of the white for 9 months and now we are to more. Mamma chose secret. Last time will be a what the Osha or top nation no way or singlet near white into now so I can be not just Yanni Uncle White in the history of Adom color party. Every year, beer color dominated by a white. People checking records. Every year, beer a man for Bell Quayan, Bayam, so Calabaco a day. Miming Casa Calabaco penny a day. Ubia on the colors. Come on, feel you on the show. How there? We have always show white now. Ube do an abuse a white mistake. It video mean Casa mean Kwana Shamekala, but Obabano, now white, I dominate baby. Now this year, the answer be the more because you're just son upon 9 and you remember 5 for Sunny upon. When ya and I do the end Kwana every year, this year, the end, yeah, set family party and 2 bound in Kolani in Nam Ramenyo Biofio because in Kola games be brave, trampoline near the idea, bouncy castles in just a face painting, they can't come home. Somewhere to do a wide dominate playing cards near there. Oh, Bibia. Eating competition, cooking competition. There's a competition, baby. Between families, I would want to be Babano. It is happening at the Ifwa Sutherland Children's Park. Yeah. What National Theatre in Chimuana. It's on the 16th of March 2019. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And young Colana, bro, and young Munamra. Then their first wife, a bone chimuna, Ukra Colana Bacons, and Zukra Colambacos, and Ubana, they had the bruta, a color part. And the deal with Pokua 101 or so air Basso than Yame Adoma, or the Lodge Tavern. Any pediatric lodge, you know, it didn't anymore. Yeah, this very Sunday, the 3rd of March 2019, and a pattern Nasha said till you drop, hosted by Pokua Wendy and then OPD, sponsored by Amelina Children's Heaven. When I've been your Frania Papa Nina, Todiama, Banan, Wife, JM Ado and Sons Limited, producers of Wemplex 400 and Alpha Galley. It is powered by Pokua 101 Concept in Adom FM. The patrol saw what Barbie and our restaurant be and our pub be now per se a date with Pokua 101 Ebrewa. I are contacting here. It was 0544 113131. Now you knew come on. BBA Bear Fine. Name this Sunday there, the Lodge Tavern. Yeah, what a Peduase up the Abrit Mountain. Mr. Hayford, oh, the Lodge Tavern, boss, me shower in rain. I know what shower I fear, mommy. If I try baby, I do know. We are power, but so what do you crack? Now you're into your foot, dear. Dear Brass will see a tear foot. Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. You are so nitty, this one,